In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Hostinger account. Hostinger is a widely recognized web hosting provider, and setting up your account is quite straightforward. Let's dive right in and explore the process together, ensuring that you can follow along easily to get your account established. First, you'll need to navigate to the Hostinger website. Open up your preferred web browser and type in the Hostinger URL. Once you've reached their homepage, you'll notice a few options and buttons, but the one you're looking for is the Login button. Go ahead and click on it. You might be tempted to create a new account from the homepage directly, but typically, using the Login area simplifies this process. After clicking the Login button, you'll be directed to a page where you'll find the Sign Up option. Now, because we're looking to set up a new account, select Sign Up. This will navigate you to the registration page where you're going to provide some basic information. At this point, you'll see fields asking for your email address and password. Type in your preferred email address that you want to associate with your Hostinger account. It's always a good idea to ensure this email address is an active one that you check frequently. Once you've entered your email, move on to type in a secure password. Remember, a strong password typically contains a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols to ensure high security. This not only protects your account, but also ensures smooth operation without unexpected interruptions. With your email and password entered, you're about ready to complete the registration process. The last step here is simple. Just click the Register button. Doing this submits your information to Hostinger, and you're officially on your way to starting with their platform. After you hit Register, Hostinger might send a confirmation email to your provided address. It's important to check your inbox, and sometimes your spam or junk folders, to find this email. Confirming your email address is a critical step, as it verifies your identity and activates your account fully. And there you have it. Your Hostinger account is now created. This process effectively sets you up to begin exploring the web hosting options that Hostinger offers, whether you're launching a new website or migrating an existing one. Remember, having a reliable account set up from the start makes managing your web services smooth and efficient. I hope this guide has been helpful in navigating the registration process for Hostinger. Stay tuned for more tutorials on making the most out of your Hostinger experience.